Hello. Nomad Sculpt. Where to find infos, help, or the community. I show you the few sites and where to find everything. And the links are in the description. Okay, I switch to the internet. This is a Discord server, a Nomad Discord server. There's a lot of information from the community about Nomad. There you can find help and so on and so on. And freestyle, what's everything, general discussions, and so on and so on. This is a Discord server. Okay, then the manual of Nomad Sculpt is also linked below. There you can find the informations about the app itself. Okay, then the next thing is the Nomad forum, and you can post here your artwork or the latest bug reports, or you can see here if something is wrong with the app, or you can post here featured requests, what you want to have in the app. And there's a launch, you can post here your creations. And then there's a Facebook group, Nomad Sculpt users. This is this one. The link is also in the description. And okay, and on Twitter is Nomad Sculpt also to find. Okay, I put these links in the description, and then you can have fun with it. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.